Have you ever wondered how to calculate VAT for your small business in the UAE? It might seem complicated, but in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can easily manage your VAT calculations and stay compliant. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be confident in calculating VAT and know exactly how to handle it for your business. So, what is VAT, and when do you need to register your business for it in the UAE? If your business has a taxable turnover of more than 375,000 Emirati dirhams in the past 12 months, you must register for VAT. For businesses making between 187,500 and 375,000 Emirati dirhams, registration is voluntary, but it might be a smart move to boost credibility with partners and clients. How to calculate VAT. Now, let's talk about how to calculate VAT for your sales and purchases. When you sell a product or service, you'll need to add 5% VAT to the price. For example, if you sell goods worth 1,000 Emirati dirhams, the VAT added would be 50 Emirati dirhams, bringing the total to 1,050 Emirati dirhams. But VAT also works the other way around. When you buy supplies for your business, you'll be charged VAT by your suppliers. For instance, if you purchase office supplies for 500 dirhams, the VAT would be 25 dirhams, making the total payment 525 dirhams. Filing VAT returns. Don't forget, you'll need to file VAT returns quarterly. To figure out how much you owe or get refunded, simply subtract the VAT you've paid, input VAT, from the VAT you've collected, output VAT. For example, if you collected 2,000 dirhams in VAT from sales and paid 1,200 dirhams in VAT for purchases, you'll owe 800 dirhams. And there you have it. Calculating VAT for your small business in the UAE doesn't have to be overwhelming. Plus, here's a quick tip. Keeping accurate records of all your sales and purchases will save you a ton of headaches during VAT filing time. We, at Beaufort Associates, offer expert accounting and VAT services to help you stay compliant with the UAE's VAT regulations. Our team can assist you with VAT registration, filing returns, and ensuring that your VAT records are accurate and up to date. All you have to do is reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful business tips.